cytoskeleton is a complex network of protein fibers that extend throughout the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. It provides structural support, maintains cell shape, facilitates cellular movement, and enables intracellular transport. In this explanation, we will discuss the structure, function, and significance of the cytoskeleton in depth. Structure. The cytoskeleton is composed of three types of protein fibers: microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules. Microfilaments. Microfilaments are the thinnest of the three fibers, with a diameter of approximately 7 nanometers. They are composed of actin and play a key role in cell movement, contraction, and cell division. Intermediate filaments. Intermediate filaments have a diameter of approximately 10 nanometers and are composed of a variety of proteins, including keratins, desmin, and vimentin. They provide structural support to cells and help maintain cell shape. Microtubules are the largest of the three fibers, with a diameter of approximately 25 nanometers. They are composed of tubulin and play a key role in intracellular transport, cell division, and maintaining cell shape. The cytoskeleton performs several essential functions in eukaryotic cells, including structural support, cell movement, intracellular transport, and cell division. The cytoskeleton provides structural support to cells, helping to maintain cell shape and prevent the cell from collapsing under external forces. It is involved in cell movement by facilitating the formation of filopodia, lamellipodia, and other structures that allow cells to move. Microtubules are involved in intracellular transport, facilitating the movement of organelles and other cellular components throughout the cell. The cytoskeleton is also involved in cell division, facilitating the formation of the mitotic spindle, which is necessary for the separation of chromosomes during cell division. The cytoskeleton is a vital organelle in eukaryotic cells, with important roles in structural support, cell movement, intracellular transport, and cell division. Dysfunctions in the cytoskeleton can lead to a variety of diseases, including muscular dystrophy, which is caused by a defect in the intermediate filaments, and Alzheimer's disease, which is associated with defects in microtubule function. The cytoskeleton is also important in the development of multicellular organisms, as it provides the framework for the formation of tissues and organs. Basically, the cytoskeleton is a complex network of protein fibers that extend throughout the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. It provides structural support, maintains cell shape, facilitates cellular movement, and enables intracellular transport. Dysfunctions in the cytoskeleton can lead to a range of diseases, highlighting its significance in maintaining cellular homeostasis.